Hey there, get ready to elevate your kids' playtime with the SANMERSEN Kids Double Basketball Hoop Arcade Game Set, the ultimate indoor and outdoor activity for children aged 3 to 8. This 2024 new model features an exciting LED light and automatic scoreboard, complete with a 60-second countdown, designed to captivate your child's interest and keep them away from screens. Easy to install and portable, this game set is made from high-quality PVC pipes and includes all necessary accessories, making it perfect for little basketball enthusiasts. With 6 small basketballs included, your kids can enjoy endless fun, whether indoors or outdoors, while enhancing their motor skills and developing a love for sports. The game not only improves their basketball shooting skills but also fosters qualities like perseverance, competition, and teamwork, creating a real arcade game experience. Made from ABS safety and environmental protection material, this set is odorless and non-toxic, ensuring a safe play environment. So, if you're looking for the perfect birthday, Halloween, or Christmas gift, this basketball arcade game is a thrilling and enjoyable choice that keeps kids active and engaged. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.